your red wine risotto, we're gonna start by making the broth with 3 cups of water and 1 bouillon cube, and we're gonna bring it to a boil. Here we're gonna thinly dice half an onion, and the thinly the pieces are, the evenly it will cook. In a frying pan, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and we're gonna heat it up on medium heat. The oil is gonna be ready when it's gonna start to become very fluid. At this point, we can add our half diced onion, and we're gonna saute for 8 minutes or until it becomes like nice and transparent. Make sure to stir it so it's not gonna stick to the pan. After the onion becomes translucent, we are going to toast the rice. Toasting the rice will help the grain to not break. It will seal the walls of the grain, and so it will keep its shape during the cooking process, and it will prevent to become mushy. Rice is toasted, so we're gonna add our wine. Here I chose a dry red wine because it has a more robust type of flavor. Of course, the recipe calls for the Barolo one, which is like, yes, dry, but even fruity and spicy. Anyways, if you cannot find it, a good red wine will work. After the alcohol is evaporated, we're gonna add 1 ladle at a time of broth and make sure that the broth it's nice and incorporated and absorbed by the rice before you add more. Halfway through, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. And we're gonna mix it all together. At this point, the rice is cooked, so we're gonna add a knob of butter, which is about 2 tablespoons. And this will give a nice creaminess to the risotto. And for a boost of flavor, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Mix everything together very well so everything becomes nice and creamy. And here you have your red wine risotto. Thank you for watching.